Well, guys, after a long day, I'm whipped. This is just give you an idea what I've been doing today. I haven't been through everything. New shoes for clutches, springs for clutches. There's my screw box. This is this little box over here I got the things, and I'm going to be needing right quick, which is those things. Man, I was glad to get my hands on them. Y'all know why. They're hard to find. Electronic ignition coils. That's the anti-vibe mounts, bearings, air cleaners, air filters. All these are used. Okay? But look what I found. I think these are new. I'm not sure. They're dirty, but they're in good shape. New or not. That's all the carb stuff. Doggone. I missed that box. So I don't know what's in there. But here's all the mostly hole saws. And there's some part saws, I guess you'd call them. Hey, look at that one right there. Now, can you imagine what the rest of the tree looked like after it fell on it? And hey, all you guys, I haven't got to tell y'all what this stuff is. Look at all the starter covers. And I got a box over here somewhere with nothing but, oh yeah, that's starter stuff right there. Covers and springs and such. Rods and cranks. Oil boxes. Jugs. That is 5 of those covers. He told me he didn't like them covers. He'd take them off and put on a low profile cover. So in here somewhere is some 8200s. Then there's a cover for 800, no, 800, or 10, or 8, or 850, or 700. A 555, I haven't got one of them. A CP70, I haven't got one of them. I think that right there is a 1010. Then a bunch of junk mufflers and sheet metal and chip guards. He wanted that right there to run real bad. This right here, that's new. I got a few new parts in here. Right hand start flywheel cover. Something over here, 805, a Pro 81 came off of that truck today somewhere in pieces, I guess. A 710 I don't have. It just goes on and on. Here's your piece of saws. Well, just cylinders, and they still got the pistons and everything else. And to beat it all the cylinders I looked at today, the pistons look good. I do have a couple over here that's locked up, but I don't know if it's why, you know. But he was a logger, and he knew how to mix gas. He knew how to adjust the carburetor and not burn his saws up. Yeah, this is one bad thing that McCulloch ever did. I might can use them too. But no long bars. Let's see. That bucket right there is just nothing but clutches. Well, heck, there's another bucket. I missed that one somehow. I don't know what's in there. But it's about a half hour before dark. I gotta get this stuff up. So, anyhow, thanks for watching up to this point.